is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And welcome back, everyone. We saw some big thunderstorms in eastern El Paso County this evening. In fact, heading out to grab a bite to eat after our 6 o'clock news, you could see those huge cumulus nimbus clouds. Definitely a sight to see. Tonight, things are quieting down as the atmosphere stabilizes. We have temperatures in the mid-60s in the Springs. Look at the beautiful evening here in Pueblo. Mostly clear skies and really comfortable temperatures. 72 degrees as humidity now rises up above 75%. So you can see generally quiet conditions, I'd say from Rye up the interstate all the way to the Wyoming border, but still seeing some rain down here across parts of Los Animas County, and also a lot of shower and storm activity across western parts of the state into eastern parts of Utah. So we'll fire up the live radar again. Fairly quiet conditions tonight. Didn't really get the shower and storm development that we were expecting over the Decker fire. That's okay. We don't need to see heavy rain in those spots. They've already seen quite a bit of rain over the weekend, and if that continues to happen day after day, that does increase the chance for flash flooding and those mud and debris flows. Current temps across the region, we have some 60s up towards Lyman, 64 Monument, nice and cool in Woodland Park. You're checking in at 54 degrees, upper 60s Springfield, low 70s La Junta to Lamar, 59 degrees out towards La Vida. And this is pretty interesting. Let's dig up some climate information. I like to do this from time to time. Today's high of 81 degrees was the coolest day this month in the Springs. The average today was 84. And in fact, it's been a really warm month. We've seen 6 days only that were at or below average, and plenty of hot days, with the hottest day 95 seen twice on the 8th and 10th. Also very cool today in Pueblo, relatively speaking, 83 the high compared to the average of 92. Here we've seen 9 days at or below the average, and the hottest day this month all the way up to 104 back on July the 8th. Now looking ahead to tomorrow, the best time to get outside, wash the cars, take the dogs outside, go on a hike would be in the morning hours. Will be muggy but dry. I think developing storms by 2. Anytime after 3, maybe between 3 and 7, there is the potential for some heavier rain. So let's take it hour by hour. The model wants to develop a front right across the Continental Divide, pushing east towards the Denver metro area by noon. I think it's going to move off the mountain ranges between 2 and 4. And this is when we could get some heavy rain, maybe out towards Fremont County. The model shows some of that to the Springs and Monument as well. So we will be weather alert tomorrow based on that potential for some heavier rain. Looks like a secondary front wants to move through maybe after the dinner hour, as that heavier band of rain that we see earlier in the afternoon does move down into the southeastern plains. So tonight, as conditions continue to quiet down and dry out, we'll see those overnight lows drop a few more degrees down to the 50s for the Springs and Monument, 60s out towards Pueblo and the plains. And your highs tomorrow, they're going to be pretty similar to what we saw today. Could even be cooler by a degree or two, so generally below average temps for the day on Tuesday. All right, your 7-day forecast in the Springs, heating up back up near 90 on Wednesday. Then a cold front moves in on Thursday with the opportunity for wind and possibly some rain showers heading into Thursday night. A few showers possible Friday, better chances for afternoon storms heading into the weekend. Pueblo, we see a little bit of an up and down trend with your forecast. 80s mostly for the rest of the week, but up to 94 on Wednesday. Canyon City, heavier rain here on Tuesday. Likely dry Wednesday with that cold front moving in, dropping temps, bringing rain back Thursday. And for Woodland Park, highs here in the 70s pretty much throughout the next 7 days. Again, keeping a very close eye on tomorrow, Rob, with the potential for some heavier rain, but at least drying out in most spots by Wednesday.